5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
I forgot each other. We had to have.
Push it, baby. Who's right there? Now this is interesting.
Got you, Dave. Push, push, push. Did I get you? Oh! Oh, we just... In the back? Okay, yeah. I didn't know that was you. Hey, that didn't count. Oh.
So that doesn't count? Oh, okay.
We could open the hallway. I don't know. The kids should have had the advantage.
They did at first until once we got Dave, we took it over.
He just had his head poked up.
The hallway flag.
Hallway. Back hallway. Oh, come on. Go.
There's Jordan.
Did you get it?
No.
Josh? You're my way, but I hit it, dang you! Sorry, get Kyle, he's in the back!
Dang it. It's a pin.
Was that out? Oh, you're dead. Just tell me you can make Sam for walking for you.
That was quick.
You guys pinned us quick, too.
I actually kind of want to open up the hallway now. I vote we do.
What's that?
Open up the hallway.
Right. Yeah.
Let's open it up. It's open.
No, stop!
Yes, it is.
Alright. 9, 8, 7. Okay, this is weird now.
I'll go that way. Jordan's right there. If Jordan, go back over there. I'll take him. Jordan's covering the hallway.
Oh, crud!
Dave and Jordan are out still. That's it. It's just Jordan. Tony's out. Trevor's out. Did I not hit you?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure I did. I'll give it to you.
What?
Dave. This is weird. Almost,
9, 8,
these teams almost might be a little bit small for this.
5, 4. Playing with me too. Look at me, man.
There you go. Guys, I need somebody.
Gotcha. Did you get me? Yeah.
Yeah, he hit you. They've got the hallway. Tony killed me.
Gotcha, Trevor.
Got you, Dave. Gotcha. Take it, push. Nick, go right and run around. Is Nick still there?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Should have been dead, Trevor.
Hi, Jordan. Jordan's right there. If it's just him, go around the other way. He can cover this too easily. Tony's in the spawn point. Jordan's blocking the hallway.
What do we got?
Jordan's covering this whole hallway. I think it's going to be more advantageous if you guys go the other way. It's just Trevor. Trevor's in there. Okay, you got this thing.
Oh, man.
Gotcha, Tony. Watch your back. Jordan's right here.
Gotcha, Jordan. I think you did. I didn't. Oh, yeah. 20 seconds. Go to the hallway. Kind of we need.
Gotcha. Just go. Gotcha, Tony.
Trevor, look out! There's a guy on the trail!
Wait, that's a pin!
Yeah! That was awesome, Trevor.
This is... I think we had too few people for that map.